Super 7-day forecast.
It is worth noting when it comes to Beryl that the actual area that will be impacted by those hurricane-force winds is going to be a little bit more constrained in Texas than it will be in, say, the Yucatan Peninsula or in Jamaica. But the much more widespread concerns are going to be the heavy torrential downpours of rain and the rip currents that are going to stretch all the way across the Gulf from Texas straight through to Florida. So a very difficult situation in that part of the country. And here at home, it is all about the hot sun. If you look at the West Coast, it is lined up and down with heat watches and warnings. And that, of course, includes most of San Diego County. So for our inland and mountain communities, you're going to see that excessive heat warning sticking around until tomorrow night at 9. For the deserts, that warning is going to stay in place all the way until Wednesday. So the only part of the county that doesn't have a type of heat alert is the coastline. And take a look at some of those records that we broke yesterday. We broke a record in Borrego for a daily high, topping out at 119 yesterday. Campo hit 109. We have some other ones like Palm Springs that reached all the way up to 124 degrees, showing that this heat wave really is record-breaking in many different ways. And that extends to our current temperatures being incredibly hot right now. San Diego at the moment is feeling much better than other parts of the county, though. We're at just 73 degrees. La Jolla, very comfortable at 75. Then you get a few miles away from the water and you see temperatures that are still in the upper 80s. Escondido at 86 degrees right now. Ramona 89. El Cajon is slightly cooler at 83. Meantime, some parts of the deserts are still above 110 degrees. Ocotillo Wells, for instance, at 115. And in terms of tomorrow's highs, we're really not getting much better. The coastline is going to be an extremely popular place once again, with San Diego's high tomorrow being just 77. Oceanside a little warmer tomorrow at 81. And then for our inland neighborhoods, we're still seeing plenty of 90s. Escondido tomorrow looking at a high of 91. El Cajon 92. Desert's certainly not getting better. Borrego Springs and Ocotillo Wells both reaching near 120 degrees. And then Ramona tomorrow falling just short of triple digits. So I'd love to say that the heat is going to go away soon. That is just not the case, because this ridge of high pressure, this heat dome, is going to be parked on top of us for day after day after day. You can think of that almost like a bubble of warm air that stops our temperatures from going down. And that's exactly what we see with San Diego's 7-day forecast. This is the most mild part of the county, but our temperatures are still going to be above average, highs near 80 degrees every day. And it will be very tempting to get in the water, but if you're not an experienced swimmer, you should be very careful about doing that. We have a beach hazard statement for the coastline until 5 tomorrow. We have strong rip currents that can certainly pull inexperienced swimmers away from the shore. Again, those highs not changing a whole lot over the next 7 days. Our inland neighborhoods, unfortunately, are going to see many more 90s. That high of 91 for tomorrow sees a slight step down for Monday, high of 87, before they're back in the 90s virtually till the end of the work week. Into the mountains, they go from mid-90s next couple days into upper 90s Tuesday, and into the deserts, no relief in sight really. A lot of the daily highs right near 120 degrees.